Hi, I'm Jimmy Vinicky from Social Media Club Jacksonville, and I'm going to be vlogging a recap of Murray Eisenwasser's presentation to SMC Jacksonville and Intuition Networks, presenting about how video can drive your business. My girlfriend's filming this and she keeps cracking up. I think there's a cat behind me. But basically what Murray wanted to say is that video is the most powerful tool you can possibly use to drive SEO and get your company noticed using search engines such as Google. And it's also very underutilized. So get out there and make your video.